It's funny that you use the shapes and reflecting back on like him and how you felt about his personality. That is, I was telling you earlier, we've got a new course coming out called Fireside Simplified. The idea is that you use the client to help you make all of the big decisions, kind of if-then scenarios. And so, like the raven that I was drawing, I was designing that for my wife. And you could use cubes to draw a raven, or you could use spheres to draw a raven, or anything in between. And so one of the modules of the course is about that exactly. Like, pay attention to the person. Are they really soft-spoken? Are they taking control of the consultation? Are they allowing you to how do you feel about them? Are they a hard-edged shaped person? Are they a soft? Are they a soft, soft light source, or a really harsh light source? Right. Of course, you could go either way with those with them, and it would still be right. But on the front end of a design, when you have so many options, you can get overwhelmed. It's nice to just go all right, that lady was definitely a sphere, kind of soft, flowy lady. That's what this is going to be.
Yeah, I really like the idea of making the tattoo fit the person in more than a physical way. More than just fitting the shapes of the body. I really like the idea of the entire thought and look of the tattoo fitting that person's personality and the way they look and things like that. Because sometimes I feel people, they have tattoos that don't match their personality at all. And then some people, every tattoo they have, it's like, that looks like it belongs on that person.
Yeah.
My interpretation of the type of person they are or the vibe they give off.
And I think especially doing the type of work that you're doing, larger scale stuff, a lot of it is very visible. Like you were just talking about a claw or talon going up on a neck, or people see the tattoos 2 seconds after they see their eyes. You know what I mean? It's like they see their eyes, or maybe they see the tattoo before they look at their face, whatever.
Yeah.
It might be. I think that approach is responsible and the right approach,
I think responsible is a good word.
Yeah.
I kind of feel responsible for just this person's tattoos looking nice. And it's not just looking nice, but looking nice with them, their clothing, their other tattoos. If you have a tattoo that's really close to what we're doing, I want to make sure they look nice together.
Yeah.
I don't want to just leave an awkward space in between the two, because I feel that's doing a disservice to the client.